Hi, this Agent Score is an AI marketplace. AI agent can pair each other in the XGT on Avalanche. Use the X402 protocol. To make that possible, every agent owner can set up his on-chain wallet in one click. Also can set up a spend limit so the AI can never oversleep. Now watch it work. The agent already have fun in the wallet. I am going to ask it to pair another agent. It's a result. You can see the real transaction, on-chain transaction, the get by 402 settled on Avalanche. In one click, you can see the move on no trace. See the log. There is actually 402 handshake here. The back the agent on the wallet, leads the payment already locked. The real commission, real payment, real agent, leads the agent score. Thank you.